hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my... Hey, Mr. Smith here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a paper bag puppet inspired by some of your popular characters. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a Scream paper bag puppet. You say, Scream? Scream. Inspired by the 1893 painting by Norwegian artist Edvard Munch. Now, this painting has also inspired popular culture. 2 movies. First movie, one of the most popular American Christmas movies out, Home Alone. I know you've seen it. Macaulay Culkin. He's in the house by himself and he's pretending he's shaving or trying to shave, and then he puts aftershave on. And then he goes, ah! So you know his face was stinging. But this is also how the Scream looks like in the painting by Edvard Munch, doing the same thing. Now there's another movie, scary movie, where they got that ghost face mask. Well, the ghost face mask also has that kind of look on his face, also inspired by Edvard Munch's The Scream. So, if you want to find out how easy it is to create a paper bag puppet inspired by this famous painting, all you have to do is just watch a picture of the Scream, and I start making a sketch of his face. Once I get the shape of his head, start going for facial features, nose, the mouth, or no nose, and start just to try to sketch out the feeling of the Scream figure lightly in my sketchbook. Once I have a good feel for it in the sketchbook, then I go with the paper that I'm going to use to add on to the puppet. So I just look at my drawing, try to redo my drawing on this paper, and then I'm going to cut it out. Once I cut it out, I will apply it to the paper bag, especially the rectangle that's at the top of the paper bag. I will then cut the face of the Scream out, so I have a top half and a lower half, which means I can animate him and make him talk. As you see, I'm placing it on the bag, getting the top half right where I want it, adding some glue. Now normally I'd be putting my pencil side down, but I'm going to be using oil pastel to try to get that painterly feel on the face of the Scream. So I want to see my pencil lines. Alright, I've cut everything out. Hands, his face, his body. Got that kind of feeling now. I'm adding my oil pastels, trying to get that wavy feeling that you see in the original painting. I'm looking at it on my computer and trying to match up certain colors so that my pastel blending, and these are oil pastels, have a feeling of oil paint. Putting in the lighter parts for his eyes, and then I'm going to go over them, make them a little darker, put some pupils in. Trying to get it so it's just right, and as you see, I can make them talk. I've just about completed adding color to my Scream puppet, and now I'm going to do my check to see whether or not he's actually working, whether I can animate his face. Get him working just like a puppet. And now I'm just about ready to move on to my next character. I wonder what that will be. Come check me out in the following weeks. We're doing a series on puppets for the next few weeks. So I'm picking popular characters. So I wonder, I'll give you a hint. What is the most famous painting in the world? See you next time.